Hello viewers, in this video I am going to demonstrate you how to generate HTML code automatically from an existing table content or from designing a table content as you design in your Word document. So first let us get into the website. So type wordhtml.com. This is the code editor. So here is where you are going to design a table as you will do in your Microsoft Word document. So click on the table menu and choose insert table. You can choose the required number of rows and columns as you want. So here I am going to restrict with 4 rows and 4 columns. So now the table will be inserted here. You can resize the table just by clicking at the corners and dragging it. So here I'm going to just type the column headings. Let me type the column heading here. Next, let me type the content. It is very simple as you design a table in your Word document. Now I have typed the content. So after typing the content, you can format the table so that you can give some border to the table. You can apply some background color to the table. Even I can just highlight the column headings by clicking on the bold option. I can increase the size of the text, or I can just apply some background color for the text. I'm just applying some background color here, or if you want you can apply text color. You have the edit options here, copy paste. Similarly, formatting the text content, increasing the size of the font. So let me give it as H4 so that it will increase the size of the column headings. Now I can get into the table, choose table properties. So here you can give the size for your table border. So let me give it as 3. Then if you want spacing between each and every cell, you can give some value here. Let me give it as 2. Then you can choose the alignment. So now, as of now, let me give it as left. So now you click on the advanced tab so that you can apply some border color. So let me give it as green. Then background color, let me give it as light gray. Then click on OK button. So now a table has been designed. So now you can click on the HTML tab so that you'll be getting the entire HTML code for the table. So you can press Ctrl A to select the entire content and then copy it. Now you can paste the HTML code wherever you want. So now let me get into my website where I want to design or display this table. So first let me have a placeholder. So I am using Google Sites here. So in the Google Sites, let me have a placeholder first to hold the content. Here, you just click on this empty space and go to the Insert tab. Then click on Embed option. Now you choose Embed code. So here, a space will be provided for typing your HTML code. You just paste the HTML code here. Then click on the Next button. So now the same table design will be generated here. You can just click on this Insert button so that your table gets inserted here. So like this, you can type any content as you type in your Microsoft Word, and then generate the corresponding HTML code and then use the same code it wherever you want to design the content in a table format. Similarly, instead of designing it from the scratch, you can just copy the existing table from a Word document and then paste the corresponding HTML code. So first let me delete this existing table. So once you choose the table, you can see the options at the bottom. Just click on this delete table option. Now let me get into a Word document where I have a table. Let me choose the table content, then copy the content and come back to the editor. Just paste it here. So now your table content will be displayed here. So as we did earlier, you can apply the properties. So just choose the table. Now select the properties. So let me give spacing to border. Let me give it as 3 pixels. Cell padding refers to this space that surrounds the text inside a cell. So now let me give it as 3 here. Then go to advanced tab. So border color. Now let me now give it as blue instead of green. So here, so you can even paste the color code. So I can just get into the color code here. So just type HTML color code or color picker. So here you can choose the required color. So this is the color I have chosen. You can just copy the value RGB value or hexadecimal code here and come back to the editor, then paste it here. Now you click on this OK button. So now the color has been applied. So you can format the heading, or else you can just click on the bold option. So already it is enabled. Say for example, if I want to align the roll numbers alone, the serial number alone, center of the cell, so I can just choose it. Just choose the content first, and then click on the align, center alignment here. So do it for the remaining serial numbers. You can even apply bold for the serial numbers. So like this you can apply color for the text. So whatever formatting you want, you can do it. Finally, you can click on the HTML tab, then get the HTML code, just copy, select the entire code, copy it, and come back to your HTML, your website design. So let me add another placeholder. Now choose embed code. Do the same thing, just paste the code here and click on next button. So now we can look here. We have got the expected output. You just click on the insert button. The entire table gets displayed here. So you can resize the table so that the entire content gets displayed or fits into this page. So this is how you can paste the, or you can generate a table design in an easy way. So please try and let me know your comments. Thank you.